Okay. Let's see if we can do this. That's my bike. I assume you can see that. And so instead of having my camera here, I've got it on top of my helmet, which looks like that. It doesn't know where to because we don't know where we're going yet. Let's see, we're already in first gear. That's something I want to try here. I never try to pull my foot back far. Alright, we'll just ride around for a while or whatever. Pull the visor down. Look at the shadow of the squirrel on the pavement there where the electrical line is. If I'd have seen that dang squirrel, I'd have gone back and got the squirrel gun and knocked him down to give Nick something to chew on. Kind of muffle the thing a little bit. See it while I'm here. Somebody coming out after me. Well, let's go to town.
Lies can only go so far before racing truth. Who are you to tell me that? Burn the lies that make the ties between me and you. If you could
Well, you can see I'm covering up a bunch of wind noise. I haven't solved that problem yet, but I'm going to go try to do that. And it'll take some riding and maybe be a couple of adventures away. Who knows? Yeah, this has been an old man and his super cub in their adventures. Come back and see us.